Are you curious about heat pumps and whether they can meet your home's heating and cooling needs? Well, keep watching as we explore the answers to the most frequently asked questions about heat pumps. For nearly 2 decades, here at Monkey Wrench, we've committed to helping homeowners across Los Angeles and the surrounding areas with all their heating and cooling needs, including heat pumps. And in this video, we'll dive into the following questions. What is a heat pump and how does it work? How much do heat pumps cost? What are the benefits of heat pumps? And also, what are the drawbacks? And lastly, how do heat pumps compare with furnaces and ACs? We'll review each question and answer so that by the time you're done watching this video, you'll have all the necessary information to start deciding whether you want a heat pump for your home. Hey, if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing as we're constantly putting out new videos every week. Now let's jump in, starting with, what is a heat pump and how does it work? A heat pump is an electricity-powered, 2-in-1, energy-efficient heating and cooling system designed to keep your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter. The system is made up of an indoor and outdoor unit that carries out the heating and cooling process. During the hot weather season, heat pumps use a refrigerant cycle similar to air conditioners and keep your home cool by extracting heat from indoors and circulating the cool air. During cold weather, heat pumps do not use natural gas to create warmth. Instead, they pull heat from the ambient temperature outside and use it to warm the air blowing inside your home. This all sounds great, right? But how much do heat pumps cost? Well, a brand new heat pump can cost anywhere from $9,000 to $35,000. The price can vary from company to company, and it's affected by factors such as the size of the heat pump, energy efficiency rating, and electrical panel upgrades and more. Now, there are special rebates for heat pumps available, and if you do qualify, you can claim up to 30% of the total project cost and up to a maximum of $2,000. Furthermore, operating costs for heat pumps aren't high thanks to their high energy efficiency. Here are some of the pros and cons you can expect from heat pumps. Kicking off with the pros, we have energy efficiency. Heat pumps have some of the highest energy efficiency ratings for heating and cooling. Next, rebates and low operating costs. Rebates can offload the upfront cost for a heat pump, while its low operating costs can help you save money on utility bills. It's got a 2-in-1 design. Heat pumps offer heating and cooling in one system instead of separate systems, like an AC for cooling and a furnace for heating. Eliminates the danger of combustion-based heating. Faulty furnaces powered by natural gas run the risk of fire, explosions, or carbon monoxide poisoning. Heat pumps use electricity and decrease the chance of fires occurring. Easy configuration. Heat pumps offer you the choice to run it with a duct or ductless system, depending on your home's layout and your cooling needs. And now here are some of the drawbacks, starting with high install costs. Even with rebates available, a new heat pump installation can cost more than a single AC or furnace installation. Potential high electricity bills. Some homeowners reported higher electricity bills with their heat pumps. If your home has solar panels, it may offload the cost of running a heat pump, not ideal for freezing climates. Heat pumps struggle to pull heat from outside if the weather is below freezing temperatures. So it's a pretty good idea to be mindful of where you're located before installing a heat pump. After running down the pros and cons of heat pumps, we'll look at how they compare with ACs and furnaces. Heat pumps provide better energy efficiency than furnaces. Even though heat pumps can warm up your home, furnaces powered by natural gas can provide warmth a little faster. Heat pump versus AC. Both of these systems can cool your home. Heat pumps are generally more efficient, although high energy efficient rated ACs are available too. Choosing between one or the other comes down to personal preference, over wanting cooling and heating in an all-in-one package, or maybe you want separate systems, and of course, where you may be located. Of course, with growing technology, there are heat pumps that are pretty efficient even in cold climates, so that is something to take note of. Now, heat pumps are a great green alternative to standard heating and cooling systems, thanks to their innovative design. But now that you've learned the answers to the most common questions about heat pumps, you can start to determine if they're right for you. If after reviewing these pros and cons, you're considering a new heat pump installation and live in Los Angeles or the surrounding areas, you can always schedule an appointment with our certified HVAC technicians using the link below in the description. And if you found any of the info in this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe as we are constantly adding new videos every week.